When it was just a dream in some people's eyes, but thanks to the partnership and various other sponsors who have been associated with this, this has become a huge event. And it is also a kind of an example that has been set for the rest of the world. When you look at it globally, that's something which we really treasure. That it's good, it is a good event that we do in Mumbai now for 13 years, have been doing, but also the fact that we also do it in 11 other cities around the world. And among the first was Mumbai. So we should all take justifiable pride in being the trailblazers in this initiative. Thank you, John, for being with us for many years now. I've had the privilege of being associated since the last 5 years. And this is really an opportunity for us to reiterate our brand position, which is here for good. As Standard Chartered, thank you again to the organizers and to everyone around you and to the media and to the participants who over the years have grown from strength to strength to make this a success. Thank you.
A wonderful team here that actually does the heavy lifting with us, and I'd be amiss if I don't recognize them. So ladies and gentlemen, can you please put your hands together for Lakshmi Goyal, the head of Standard Chartered Brand and Marketing Corporate Affairs India and South Asia for Standard Chartered Bank. Dan, Lakshmi, and like I mentioned to Sanjeev, you do the heavy lifting with us. So really, thank you so much. Chartered Mumbai Marathon for over 7 years now. If we may take some pride in saying, immense pride that an Indian company, an Indian homegrown company, is an amazing friend to the event, to us. Request you to say a few words.
Yeah, thanks, Vivek. As you rightly said, our journey with distance running did start with the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon in 2008, I think. The event grow in stature, grow in participation. We've seen a lot more people graduate from dream to half and to full, which is obviously the aim of every big marathon event. You should see more people running the marathon than doing the dream run, and we hope that happens quite soon. And with this start with Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon, we've obviously grown like Standard Chartered to partner with other marathons around the world, like you said, New York, and there's Amsterdam, of course, Boston, Chicago, the Bangalore 10K, and also now Singapore Marathon, where we're the official technology partner. And wherever we do partner with with these events, we also invest in the technology. So we developed the official app for all these events. So if you haven't downloaded the app, please do so. It's got new training features linked to ASICS. We've got Track Your Runners. In certain races, you get 500,000 downloads of an app where 50,000 people run.
That we have such a wonderful company and your wonderful team with us. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon has been graced by international event ambassadors of repute. This year, that wonderful tradition continues. And Dr. Edwin Moses, the legendary Edwin Moses, will be the international event ambassador to the Standard Chartered. I believe for 9 years, 9 months, 9 days, which is the 400 meters hurdles. And to have such a legend readily agree to come to India, spread the message, and be the international event ambassador was a matter of great pride and privilege for us. So, ladies and gentlemen, we all look forward to seeing Dr. Edwin Moses. And do we have something? John, a message from you, please. If you can tell us what this event means to you, what you have seen over the years of your association as the face of the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon.
First of all, a big thank you to all the people sitting here. You guys have made this event more than possible. And Dan, Lakshmi, and all you guys sitting here. Vivek, a big compliment to you. I think you and Anil have been the drivers of this marathon. I am honored, actually, to be the face of the marathon. It's my longest standing association, probably one of the longest standing associations of any brand ambassador across a brand. And I take a lot of pride in saying that, we do so much good for different charities. And that's one of the biggest drivers why we all are here. And that's why I have a lot of respect for all the people sitting here, because we're actually driving the largest charity across the country. So just being the face is giving me an opportunity to be credible. And thank you so much for that. And I'd like to also thank the media actually for supporting this, because it's very important that people out there actually see us and come in droves and come in numbers, and that's exactly what's happening. This marathon has grown and grown by leaps and bounds, and it's the only one day that I wish Mumbai was like that 365 days. It's a fantastic day. Please watch Mumbai this Jan 17th on a Sunday. It's the way Mumbai should be every day. It's lovely.
Thank you, John. Thank you. You know, there are many facets to the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon, and that's what's caused the revolution across the country of running and health and fitness. And John, you'll be remembered as one of them. You're one of the key facets of the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon. So thank you so much for making the time every year. Thank you so much for being here with us, and thank you so much for being you. Really, thank you so much. Debu, we are at home here. And that is not national athletes, the key officials that come from all around the world, all around India. They're all at home here. The Trident, Nariman Point, Mumbai, is intrinsically linked with the Mumbai Marathon. And you know what happened after the 26/11 attacks? People spontaneously stopped outside. Please, a few words from you.
Well, Vivek, congratulations to you, firstly, for launching this. So 13 years and counting, I think it's just grown in strength. And as you said, we've been so intrinsically involved or engaged with this event. It started here, and we just feel that it's a home for everybody. It's a great feeling when the day arrives and the whole family comes together again, and we all integrate. I strongly believe that we need to provide an environment to the athletes and people participating and others participating, whether it's the officials, a fantastic environment, comfortable environment, and a feeling where they've come from all over the world and they need to just settle in and be prepared for the race, because that's what their motive is. And our team manages to do that. They feel very proud about this event, and they feel very excited. We just hope this continues to grow the way it is growing, and we'll always be there to partner with you. Thank you very much, Vivek, and thank you everybody on the dais who've been excellent supporters for this initiative. Thank you.
From all what I've been hearing, it's huge, the kind of brands you've got associated with it. It's where every runner comes to collect his running number. There are many experts that you have lined up for talks and interactions with runners. Can you shed some light on this?
Far fitter organization. I think we could have run any number of HR initiatives on, cut down smoking, no smoking in office, or, ways to cut down cholesterol, or any of those things would not have helped us, would not have really gone the way what Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon has done for our organization. I was just telling DJ that almost 30% of our corporate office is part of the Mumbai Marathon, okay? And every year there is a huge competition that goes on what's your timing in. Okay? So I think it's not an event, it's a change movement. It's a change moment, and I think for a brand like Radio Mirchi, and we connect with listeners day in and day out, we are privileged to be part of this change, and it's a very positive change. So thanks a ton to everybody over here.
Thank you.
We have lined up a huge expo over this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday at BKC. It's spread over 60,000 square feet. We have the best lifestyle and sports brands over there. And our objective is to ensure that every person who comes there gets, we've spread it out over a large area so that there is very little inconvenience to any of the runners who are coming there to take the bib. And also they can go out, check out sports brands over there. They can pick up stuff over there. Also a lot of tips from fitness experts over there. And so that's what's happening over the weekend. In addition to that, Vivek, over the last couple of weeks, we've done something called a Tread Million Challenge. And we've been going to corporates' offices where close to 5,000 people have taken part in something called the Tread Million Challenge, and which is a challenge over a treadmill. But I think the treadmill is the starting point to someone coming on to be part of the marathon. And we are doing our bit in small ways to be to make the city a far healthier, fitter city. Our entire editorial and all the radio jockeys would be out on the street, cheering for each of the runners and getting the city together. And all the very best. We are really looking forward for the event.
Right, thank you so much. Radio Mirchi Marathon Expo, it's something fabulous, and the energy of the place is just something fabulous. Really, you should make a trip. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Make a trip to Bandra Kurla. It's absolutely worth it. I completely second that. Yatish is here from Radio Mirchi. Yatish, can I see you? We will be here. You can interact with us. If there's any questions, you can always ask us. We are very much here. And I want for the various interactions that have been planned for the next week, and of course, for the big day on 17th of Jan. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your attention. Thank you so much for your time. And really, it's so wonderful to be back again here with the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon. To all our panelists, just request that we have a small
सवाल कौन कर रहा है मुझसे?
Tell us about your association with the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon.
I've been the face of the Mumbai Marathon now for 11 years, and it's been a fantastic association, and it's the most credible association that a celebrity can have with a brand.
John, you just said a while back, you love.
How are you?
You just said a while back that you love Mumbai on the day of the marathon. What is it that one particular thing that you love about Mumbai? Empty roads while you drive up here, or you love the spirit of the Mumbaikars? What is that one thing?
I love everything about Mumbai on that day. The spirit of Mumbaikars, the way the city has been planned on that day. Thanks to the municipal corporation, thanks to everybody, the army, the navy. I think Mumbai is ideal on a Sunday when the marathon happens, and I wish Mumbai was like that every year. It's a fantastic place.
पठानकोट में जो आतंकी हमला हुआ उस पे आपका क्या कहना है?
I'd like to talk about the marathon generally, but obviously being an Indian, I'm very sad that we lost some of our Jawans. Obviously, I'm a very proud Indian, and शायद मैं उन लोगों में से हूँ जिसके घर पे एक तिरंगा हमेशा रहता है. It's always folded with a lot of respect in my wardrobe. मैं हमेशा उसे रखता हूँ, and my heart goes out to the family of the soldiers, क्योंकि हम शायद स्क्रीन पे heroes हैं, but the real heroes are the Jawans who are actually fighting on the border for us every day. So it's heartbreaking. Yeah, but I get injured often because I've signed up for action, right? I don't dance that often, because if I was a dancer, I wouldn't get injured so often. It's easy to wear a frock and dance, but it's difficult to do action. So I love action, and I believe that I'm an action hero, and injury is a part of it. So I had 3 knee surgeries recently, but it's okay. I've had foot surgeries. I've broken both my hands, but I'm sitting here before you, and I'm fitter, stronger, and faster. डेली मुझे यही लगता है कि आपको जिस तरीके से आप मंदिर, मस्जिद या चर्च में जाते हो, अगर आपका रिलीजन फिटनेस हो, और अगर आप जिम जाओगे या कुछ भी एक्सरसाइज करोगे, कहीं पे भी आपको मैराथन करोगे या जो भी, आई थिंक इट्स द बेस्ट फॉर्म, बिकॉज दैट्स द बेस्ट रिलीजन दैट एवरीबडी कैन फॉलो. ये जो धर्म है, अपने बॉडी को वर्शिप करना, एंड वर्शिप इट इन द राइट वे. जिस तरीके से जैसे आप लोग शायद यहाँ पे कोई शराब नहीं पीता है, सिगरेट नहीं पीता है, तंबाकू कोई नहीं खाता है यहाँ पे, राइट? सो इट्स गुड टू लीड अ हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल. और मुंबई मैराथन का जो मैं एम्बेसडर हूँ, मैं एक ही एग्जांपल दे सकता हूँ अपने यंगस्टर्स को और पूरे हिंदुस्तान को कि लीड अ हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल, और अपने हैबिट्स सही होने चाहिए, बस वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. और बाकी का तो देन द बॉडी विल टॉक फॉर इटसेल्फ.
Don't you feel like tempted that okay, I should get down, मुझे भी इनके साथ भागना चाहिए?
या मुझे भागना, या लेकिन एक ब्रांड एम्बेसडर होने के नाते देयर आर सर्टेन फंक्शंस दैट वी हैव टू परफॉर्म, जैसे इवेंट एम्बेसडर्स के साथ और डिग्निटरीज के साथ इंटरव्यूज, और काफ़ी ऐसे फंक्शंस है. लेकिन ख्वाहिश यही है कि एक दिन मैं भागूं, और आई वुड लाइक टू रन द फुल मैराथन, क्योंकि हर रोज़ ऑन एन एवरेज आई प्रॉबेबली रन क्लोज टू अ हाफ मैराथन, क्योंकि वो मेरे एक्सरसाइज का जो पैटर्न है, वो शेड्यूल है, उस हिसाब से मैं आई डू अबाउट 15-16 किलोमीटर्स वैसे ही. तो गेटिंग आउट देयर ऑन द रोड एंड रनिंग एक बहुत ही मुश्किल चीज़ है, बहुत ही क्रेडिबल है. तो मैं जो भी भाग रहे जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, आई थिंक अ बिग कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू देम फॉर एक्चुअली रनिंग 42 किलोमीटर्स एंड 21 किलोमीटर्स. बहुत मुश्किल चीज़ होता है वहाँ पे, और वहाँ पे जो आप स्पिरिट की बात कर रहे हो, द स्पिरिट ऑफ मुंबई का एक्चुअली शोज आउट देयर, बिकॉज they actually come with water and drinks and everything to give the people.